Hi everyone, I have a special recipe for you today. It's my beet juice with ginger, lemon and green apple. Stay tuned for all the benefits. Beets are a versatile food full of vitamin and minerals, antioxidant, fiber and other plant compounds responsible for various health benefits. Eating beets may help protect your heart health, reduce high blood pressure, support your endurance for workout, and benefit your digestive system. First, I'm gonna peel the beets. I like when my beets peel. I don't like just cut it up and blend it. I don't like that. I like when it peel. I remember one day I bought one on the street and it tastes like the dirt, like earth. Because I like it peel. I like when it's peeled. To me it's more delicious because sometimes it tastes like earth, especially when you buy it on the street, in the stores. They don't peel it when when you buy the juice in the store. So I like it peel. Nice wash. I wash it first, then I peel it, then I'm just gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna cut it for my juice. I'm gonna juice it. And some big juicer you don't have to cut it, you just put it in their whole and juice. But for my small juicer here, I'm just gonna peel it, and I'm just gonna cut up the apples too, and just add some green apple. You can add the red apple to it too, whatever apple you want, and I just leave the ginger. So I have beets, apple, ginger and lemon. That's what I'm doing today. A piece of beets here. I just add them all. And the lemon, I'm gonna peel the lemon. And I like a lot of lemon. If you don't like a lot of lemon, you can use a half. And if you like the rind in, you just cut it up with the rind too. The zest here is very good too. But I'm just gonna peel this. And I use the white part. But you can use the zest too if you want to. Just cut it up and use the zest. The skin. Okay. And I just cut the lemon. And I'm just gonna juice everything. Now I'm putting in the beets, the lemon and the ginger. Stay tuned and watch the process. Ginger may have numerous health benefits due to its anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and other properties. It may help you lose weight, manage arthritis, reduce menstrual symptoms.
You can let it out. Let it out.
No man, and I finished.
Go ahead.
And there you have it, your juice. Nicely strained juice. And the beet is very good for you. Very good for your blood. And there you have it, your beets and lemon apple juice. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.